Hey everybody, Christopher Huntley here from teachingrevolution.com, where we help you build your own education empire and leave a legacy that benefits others. And you do that by selling the knowledge you have online. And one of the best places to do that is YouTube. You might be watching this video on YouTube or another platform, but YouTube right now, and for many years already, has been a great place where you can find students, you can find clients, customers, you can find people who want what you have. And it's not just that they want what you have, but they're trying to solve a problem that they have, and you have a solution. And that's what they want. They want your help solving that problem. And in today's video, I'm going to show you an interview that was live at a marketing event that I did in Serbia, where we had a discussion about this topic specifically. So watch this video. I'm sure you're going to like it. There's a lot of little golden nuggets throughout the video. And write in the comments and let me know if it was useful and if you need help implementing this yourself. I know a lot of people out there are trying to get more customers, and YouTube is one way that they're trying, but they might not have a lot of experience or success with it. And so that's where I can help out. So watch this video and let me know in the comments if you need help with that.
Remember that we talked about your beginning on YouTube. And you said to me that you had thought that YouTube won't work for you, that people who are watching YouTube videos won't contribute to your brand or business at all. But right now, YouTube is one of the greatest source of students acquisition, your branding, and everything. So my question is there still potential on YouTube?
I think there's a lot of potential on YouTube still. I think it's one of the biggest opportunities for people to get free traffic to their website, or to get clients without paying for ads. I mean, just organic YouTube, right? When I first started, I didn't take it seriously. So please don't go look at the old videos. So I was just
You can sort them and to see the oldest one, by the way.
I was just making a video for fun and just putting it on there, and I didn't think anything would happen. And so after about maybe 10, 15 videos, someone contacted me and they said, "Oh, I like your videos and I want to introduce you to one guy. He has a group and this group has 1 million people in it." And I said, okay, whatever. This person said, "Oh, if you're willing to go live in this group 1 hour every week, then you can go there. And if you want to tell people that they can buy something from you, that's okay too. But you have to teach things there." So that was probably the first big step. And this is one of the ways to get clients organically. Basically, it's borrowing somebody else's audience, right? Another person has an audience and you can make some kind of deal with them. You can give them some kind of value, and it doesn't have to be about money. And their audience can be exposed to you. They can learn about you. So this was something that was unexpected that I got out of YouTube in the beginning. And I think that that's the thing that really gave me the first push. And then I started to take it a little more seriously. A lot of people try to use YouTube to get the audience first, and then they introduce some kind of product or something else, right? And so that's one strategy. But I'm really happy that before I really put a lot of effort and energy into YouTube, I made a product. So I was using YouTube I felt in my own mind that I was using YouTube for a reason, instead of just a number of followers or subscribers. Because, now I think I have a okay number of subscribers, but it's like, it doesn't matter. The number doesn't matter if you're not gonna earn any money from that, right? So I hope I answered your question.
Yes, thank you. You agree probably that video is single most powerful piece of content.
Yeah.
Video as a format.
Well,
it depends in some ways, yeah.
Because text is more searchable.
Right.
Until you start to transliterate the text from the video. But I think that in the beginning, for example, on a website, if you have text and you have video, how are people going to find your website. They're going to find it through text more than video, probably.
Right, right. But yeah. Speaking about video, it's really hard for beginner to start recording themselves and start feeling comfortable in front of the camera.
Yeah.
How can a beginner start feeling comfortable in front of camera? How many videos he needs to record in order to start gaining confidence? And what was your case?
Well, I have good news for everybody who's here today. You're making your first video. So you don't have to think about it so much, right? How many videos are there on the internet already? Like, just turn the camera on and do it. That's all you need to do. I know it sounds simplified, but that's it. Just start making the first video. Just make the first one, make the second. It doesn't matter. Just put it somewhere, show somebody. Somebody will say it's good, somebody will say it's bad. It doesn't matter. Right? You just need to do it. Right? That's it. So as a beginner, that's really just the first thing. And it doesn't matter about if it's great quality or if it's long or if it's short. Just put your face on the video. Just turn the phone around and make a video. You already do it. Just share it with people, and you don't have to be embarrassed about this, I think.
Right. And when was the first time when your video got viral? Do you remember?
I don't know if any of them have gone viral. No.
But when you saw like some big numbers of views and comments and all of that, and did that inspire you to make more videos, more quality videos, and to adjust that to the platform, to the YouTube, and maybe start gaining more audience to the channel and videos?
Yeah, it definitely helped to motivate me to provide more motivation to do it more seriously, and that the time that I was spending on the videos was bringing some return on this investment, right? But yeah, it's really hard to take it seriously in the beginning when you don't see this return. You have to understand that it's a long-term investment, right? Each piece of content is building up to something much bigger. And so now when we launch new brands, it's really, I see how important it is to build up this library of video content instead of just thinking that you're going to make one great video that's going to be a hit. You know, it's the collection of all videos together, I think, is much more important than just one. Even if you have one that goes viral, what's next? That's not going to help you unless you have the next one. So, yeah.
Right. But just recording yourself and make a video and post that on YouTube isn't complete process. Can you tell us, and imagine like if you start like your own brand from the beginning, what will be some steps that will help you to start building your brand on YouTube? I mean, besides creating a video.
A brand needs a name, first of all, right? So this
Right.
is the first place to start. And the name needs to reflect what you do or who you are. And a lot of the teachers who I work with now who are building their own personal brand, they ask this question all the time. Should I use my real name as the brand, or should I choose some other brand, right? Some other name for this brand. And I think that there's pluses and minuses to both of them. Like if you use yourself as a brand, it's good because later you can just move to something different and kind of take your audience with you, right? You have this like brand authority, brand recognition that can just move to a new product, move to a new website, and this can help to give that boost in the beginning. But the negative side is that it has to be your face all the time, right? So it's harder to outsource the work to someone else because to represent that brand, it has to be you. You can't replace, it's hard to replace to put another face on your name. So in that way, there's also a positive of not using your name and using some other neutral name that's not connected to you, because someone else can represent this for you. And long term, I think that this has a lot of pluses. Of course, the negative side is that you can't move it everywhere that you go so easily. So, so when you're first starting out with video and you're going to start branding with video, I think that the name, first of all, the name is going to be important, and you need to have some things that you do every time that you always repeat. Like, I mean, this is what we call branding, basically, right? So you'll have a logo, you'll have an intro, you'll have something else. So if you're just starting with video, you probably don't even know how to edit videos yet. So that's the first thing. So instead of thinking like, I don't know how to edit the videos, just record videos that don't need to be edited. Just try to find the easiest way to get the task done, and just think of it like that. It's just a task, I just have to get it done and move to the next task. A lot of people waste a lot of time thinking too much in the beginning about, and trying to make it perfect, right? Like, there's a phrase, perfection is the enemy of profitability. So, and it's really the truth. And like I have a business course where I help teachers start their own business, and they always ask me, like, how long is it going to take for me to start making money from my business? And I ask them, like, do you think that you're a perfectionist? And if they say yes, I'm like, okay, it's going to take you longer than most people. If you're not a perfectionist, it will take you less time, just because you'll be faster to take action. Right? And that's all. And I just keep saying it again, just take action, take action. And even if it's the wrong action, at least you did the wrong thing. So now you know what was wrong, and now you know not to do that again. But if you just sit and think and don't do anything, then it's going to take much longer to get to some good results.
That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And yes, that was me live at a marketing event in Serbia, where I spoke about this topic. And if you want to watch that full video, it is on our channel. It's about 2 hours long. So this is just a short clip from there, but a lot of good information. And if you need help growing your YouTube channel, if you need help getting more students, customers, or clients, then you should hit that link under this video or reach out to me, because that's what I do all day, okay? That's every day, all we're doing is growing people's businesses for them. And usually that means different aspects of advertising, marketing, and sales, but that also means using things like social media and YouTube, leveraging them to get huge results. I mean, it's a game changer when people are just coming to you straight from YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful. Write in the comments and let me know what you found the most useful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.